Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Time Out with Yomi Martins once again. And this is Yomi Martins from the city of Lagos, Nigeria. And on this episode, we are going to be talking about how to fund your XM broker account. It's actually a very simple process. But before I continue, our usual disclaimer: we are not financial advisors. We are not here to advise anybody on your financial life. We just give information and educational content only. With that out of the world, let's just go into it. If you don't have an XM Global account, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to click and get your XM broker account running. And the wonderful thing about using XM Global is that they give you credits on every deposit you make. If you make a deposit of $100, you can end up getting an extra $100 credits. That means you'll be trading with $200 instead of your $100 deposits. So let's just get right into how to once you have signed up and you have done your verification, you put in your credentials, your MT4 or MT5 ID, and you put in your password as indicated here, and you are good to go. Now, as I told you, bonuses are loaded on XM Global, right? You can get up to 50% bonus. You can get 20%, up to $4,500 that you can claim, right? So is that good? If you drop 100 right now, or 200, or as much as 300, I remember I dropped $300 and I was able to get an extra 300 to start trading with $600, and that's how good it is. Now, when you log into the account, this is where you are going to be. You scroll down, right? And you can see deposit fund, withdraw fund, right? Open additional account. That's the most important thing for you. So you go to deposit fund right over here, right? So once you click on deposit fund, let's just allow that to load. What's wrong with network? Okay, let me refresh. So once you see deposit fund, you can see there are different kinds of deposits. You can deposit with your Visa, but in Nigeria, obviously, you can't use your Visa if it's not a dollar-based Visa. That means you are using the Visa card, attached to your domiciliary account. So you can use that. You can use bank transfer. You can use Netella. You can use Skrill. You can use Web Money. You can use AstroPay. You can use BitPay. You can use crypto, which is my favorite. So we are going to talk about crypto pretty soon. You can use online Naira. That's if you have the online Naira wallet, which you can download on Play Store and all that stuff, right? You can use Perfect Money. You can use GPay, which is Google Pay, right? You can use Stick Pay and all that. So let's just look at one major method instead of, you can use any other method and all that stuff. But note again, whatever method you use in depositing, that is the same method you are going to use in withdrawing, right? I'm not going to complete a withdrawal right now, but let's just use the example of crypto, right? So when you click on that deposit here, when you click on deposit here, it takes you to the page here. You can read all these before you deposit. Cryptocurrency deposit. Please note the following. Please make sure that all payments are made from an account registered in the same name. So don't use a crypto account that is not in your name, right? Whether you're even using Perfect Money, Skrill, and everything, it has to be an account registered in your name. As each cryptocurrency address can only be used once, please make sure to create new invoice for each cryptocurrency deposit. They are going to give you a cryptocurrency wallet to deposit into, right? So make sure that you deposit within the time specified. I think they're going to give you about 20 minutes to make that deposit. I won't get to that extent because I don't want them to see that I have been given a wallet and I did not make a deposit and all that stuff. Another thing you should do is that you'll be able to make cryptocurrency deposit up to $50,000. Please note that XM will not receive the full amount, so you need to pay charges as well, right? Now, by submitting this deposit request, you consent to your data being shared with third party. Now, this deposit is going to be made through a third party, right, called CoinGate. So what you are going to do is you come here, and you come here. You select the wallet type. I normally use USDT, which is TRC20. I don't use Bitcoin. So you click on USDT TRC20. Then you put the amount you want to deposit. Let's say 500, right? Now, the next thing, you tick these two spaces, right, that you consent to all that. Then you click on deposit. Now, what will happen is that another page will come out. As I told you, I don't want to get to that page. Another page will come up in which they will now give you the amount to pay. Assuming they give you the amount to pay as let's say 502, for instance, or 502.3, right? Depending on the exchange you are transferring from, then you click OK after they have given you the amount to pay, right, which will be slightly higher than the amount you want to deposit. The next thing is that you click OK, they give you the wallet address, right? The wallet address to deposit into. Now, when you go to Binance, for instance, assuming you are transferring from Binance, and assuming Binance is charging network fee of $1, what you impute for your transfer, right, will be 503.3. You add the network fee to it. I want to assume that people know how to transfer money from their exchanges, so I will not definitely necessarily want to do that. But okay, let me just do that. Copy the wallet address once you see that. Let me just go to Binance very quickly so that I get to show you what I mean. I will have assumed that the amount you were told to transfer is 502.3. So let's have that in mind. So let me just quickly go to my Binance. 502.3. Let me quickly go to my Binance and show you what I mean. I've not copied any wallet address. Once you sign, because I don't want to do any transfer, I just want to show you. Once you sign into your Binance app, I'm sure this is how your app will appear. You go to your wallet, which is below here, right? You click on it. Then you go to your spots, which is right over here. You click on your spots. You select the currency you want to transfer. Apparently, I do not have any USD in my balance right now because all my USD, okay, I have USD, but it's not even enough. I have all my USD in my earnings. I normally don't just keep money in my wallet. So you click on the USD, right, that you want to transfer. Make sure it's TRC20. You click on deposits, right? Click on that. You will come up with, there are different networks for USDT. You scroll down to TRC20, which is the last one over here. You click on it, right? Now it takes you to this page, right? Oh, sorry, I made an error. Sorry. You click on withdrawal, sorry. You click on withdrawal, right? Withdrawal, send crypto. Now, right over here, you put your wallet address that was given to you. Sorry. Right over here, you put your wallet address that was given to you. Right over here, you paste the wallet address. Right here, you select the network. Right? Click on it. Click on it. And scroll down to select TRC20, which is this last one. Right? Click on it. and say okay. Now the wallet address is there. You impute the amount here. Now, you know I told you something about the amount. You need to check the charges, what they are going to charge you. Right here, the network fee is put at $1. So that's why I said right over here, you add an extra $1 to the 502.3. So the amount you are going to impute here will be 50, that is plus 1, 503.3. Let me give you an example. Let's impute 503.3. So once you impute that, you can see right over here, it says that XMGLOBAL will now get the 502.3 that they told you to pay. So that is how simple it is. You click on withdraw and you put your normal security passwords and all that stuff, and you are good to go. I think that's simple enough. I want this video to be pretty short. So if you like the content of my channel, please smash the like and subscribe button. Until I see you again, don't do what I won't do. This is Yomi Martins from the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Bye for now.